Hey, figured I'd make a little video about replacing the oil seals in a General brand pressure washer pump. They sell an expensive tool to change these out, but if it's a job you may do once in your life, then I figured I'd try to find an alternate way to get that done. But basically just used little sheet metal screws in the seal. It's a little tricky, but not impossible. I will try to demonstrate. You got to get the ceramic plunger out of the way, clearly. This is after the water section of the pump has been removed. Just like so. You got to get the, I think they call it a slinger washer out of the way. Next, it's going to be a little tricky. And the next step, you got to be pretty careful. Use a very small drill bit and try to aim the very center of the seal. I don't know if you can see that. You don't want to get off course either this way and score the shaft or this way and score the housing. So you got to try to keep it dead center, kind of in that little band with the part number. But I've got the belts off this pump to where I can rotate, kind of get the shaft all the way in, give you a little more room to work. It basically goes like this. I said be careful you don't veer off into the housing. Actually, I'm not liking that hole. I'm going to start over beside that. Just kind of start slow so it doesn't want to walk so badly. I'll bring you back when I get a hole done. Alright, we're back. I would recommend probably use the smallest drill bit you have to get a good pilot hole going, and then take it to the final size that will accommodate your sheet metal screw. You do not want to go off path and either score the pump shaft or the bore shaft, as I said earlier. So I got two holes about 180 degrees apart from one another. And then these are just some screws I had laying around. I believe they're number 6 by 1.5 inch. Just basic sheet metal screw. And very carefully run that in a few turns just to where it probably gets a full thread of engagement. Sorry if you can probably just see the back of my head. Alright. Once those are in, I just got an old school, like a tack puller. And you can try to ease a little on each side. Seal starts to move a little bit. I think if you pull too much on one side, you'll probably pull the screws out of your hole. And there it goes. Just like that. And I believe reinstallation should be a lot easier. You should be able just to tap a new one in with a socket and hopefully cure your pump leaking oil.